Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Yes guys, so we are currently on the plane now. We are about to take off. We're leaving Bogota to go to Cartagena. It's a journey, let me tell you. I'm gonna like the airport traveling. It's too much hassle and buckle. I'm gonna like it, but yeah. Say hi, Paul.
Hi, hello.
Yes guys, so check you back when you reach. We're here in Cartagena. Guys, we just landed in Cartagena. Yes. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. It's, what time is it, Paul? Like after 5 or something? Oh, yes guys. Cartagena. Cartagena. Yes. Oh, that's our driver.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know them care pose like the Baba.
Alright guys, so we are about to check in now. We just reached our Airbnb, so we're gonna check in. We're in Cartagena. Stay tuned guys. Travel with Davia. Yes guys, so this is where we're staying. Oh, let me find the lights. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at Davian. Yes guys, this is my, what do you call him, travel agent. Travel with Davian Piripu. Guys, look at the view. OMG.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wow, so this is room number 1, right?
I don't even know.
Ooh.
Let's go. Come with me, guys. Let's go.
Yes, he's gonna do the tour. Let him do the tour. So you're passing the cousin's face.
Oh,
go ahead.
Let's jump
do your thing.
This is room number 2.
Yes.
Okay, so we have a queen bed right here. Oh, there's a bed underneath the bed as well. So majority of the beds that are here in Colombia, they come with another bed under it as well. Let's check out the closet space. Come on, Martin. So yeah, this is a blanket. That's fine. Nice. There's enough racks as well for us to.
And all the rooms are air conditioned, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
we have air conditioned.
All the rooms are air
ceiling fan as
conditioned.
well. We have enough racks for our clothes as well, so that's fine. Alright, let's go to the other room. This is another room right here. This one has 3 beds. So 2 right there, and then there's a bed at the bottom. That's fine.
Yes.
Alright. And this has, every room has a closet as well. And enough racks as well for everyone. A charging dock, so it has a dock station. And
Okay.
this is a bathroom. So this is
Where's the lights? Okay.
1 bath. This is nice.
Yes, very cute, clean,
Yeah,
cute.
very clean. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. And then we have another bath. This is a half bath. So this one is a half bath.
Is there a light?
Yeah, it should be. Where is it?
Hold on, let me see if this is. It's not?
No.
Oh, I don't see the light.
Let's check it out.
Okay, guys, but you guys get the idea. It's I can't find the light right now. We will look for it soon.
Okay.
And
the kitchen
here
area.
we have the kitchen area. And this would be like a living room, right?
Right. So this is the living room
Slash
/ kitchen area.
dining.
There's a sofa right there as well. And then we have our own balcony.
And the balcony.
Oh my God! So we can have a nice time right here. This is a lounge chair. Take a look at the view. Look at the view, everyone.
Look at
Magnificent.
the view.
This is the view from our balcony. We're
OMG,
right on the
guys.
ocean.
Yes.
And then on the other side, we have another view of the strip as well. So this is perfect. We're on the 26th floor of this building. So we're pretty high up. It's actually scary, but we're gonna have a great time. So
Look at the view over there also.
right.
I mean, there's view everywhere.
Everything.
And we have a pool, right?
Yeah, we do have 2 pools. One on the 3rd floor, one on the 40th floor. I guess most of us will use the 40th floor because what? We love the heights. And then there's also hot tub, gym on this building as well. So it's a hotel.
I will show you guys the ocean view in the morning.
Okay.
But this is really giving.
Stay tuned.
Yes, guys, it's Travel with Davian.
Travel with me. So subscribe to my channel as well. We subscribe to each other. So just follow me on Instagram at Travel with Davian, on TikTok as well, Travel with Davian, and Adventures with Davian on YouTube.
Yay! Yes, guys, go follow Travel with Davian if you want to take a trip. He's the guy. He's the guy.
Hit me up.
Hit him up, okay?
Alright.
Hey guys, so we're currently going out to eat now. How's the lighting looking? So we're going for dinner. We're in Cartagena. Yes guys, so stay tuned for the vlog. The girl is feeling very cutesy, very demure. Hey guys, the crew is here. We are all going out for dinner. Say hi guys.
Hi, hola, ¿cómo está?
Yes, so we're in where? Cartagena. Yes, guys. So we're going out to eat now.
And I'm starving.
Want no food?
I just cannot. Where's that, Paul?
Want no food?
No food. No.
Food,
Let me
yeah.
tell people, we don't eat nothing from come here.
Every time I level 12 o'clock, when
I go think some have the comfort for me can survive by the time I reach when I lose weight. I never know say a boot camp. No, some ears cough up, so guys. Yes, we're going out now. Yes, guys. Woo, outside is humid. Let me tell you, Bogota was very cold, but Cartagena is warm, like Jamaica vibes. Yeah. So, guys, I will catch you back when we're there. Stay tuned. Guys, this is the nightlife in Cartagena. Why me love say it like that, I don't know. But we're going out to eat. It's not far from where we're staying. Look at this building. Woo. So we decided to just walk and take in the city view. Yes, so that's what we're doing right now. Nightlife in Cartagena. Whoop. My friend just going on. Watch here, me leave my tripod. Okay, so this is where we're going, guys. Good morning, guys. This is day 2 in Cartagena, and our first excursion is
Totumo Volcano.
yes, guys. So we're going to the mud volcano this morning. The time is currently 7:50. Yes. And we're supposed to be getting picked up by 8, so we're gonna go downstairs now to get picked up to go. As me keeping a look both way, I'm confused on the door. Yes, but let me just show you all the little fit that I'll be wearing. Double mirror, not confused. See there. So this is it. Yes, yeah. Wake up, I'm tired. Look at my face. You look beat out there. Yes. So guys, stay tuned for today's vlog. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the day view, the morning view of where we're staying. Listen, camera is doing it no justice. So we're on the 26th floor. Yeah, so this is our view. I don't even want to go close to the edge. I don't want to fall. Yes guys, this is the view. It's so beautiful, but let me tell you all, camera is not doing it any justice. Ooh. So cute, so beautiful. And there's the road there. Say hi to the vlog. This is Van. Yeah, girl on vacation. Woo! Give me a fit check. Let me show you people that want fit check. Spinning. And guys, this is your girl. Yeah. This is the fit. Yes, we're on vacation, baby. Yes guys, so we'll be heading out now. We need to go downstairs, so let's go. Okay, let's close back this. Alrighty. View. Excuse me. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Watch your man them. Eh? What can go so? That should feel no feel well. Acha. Hush, no, I think you want to be a boss.
house way.
Early. Why you late?
I was up till like 4.
Uh-huh.
You should have been on our station. No, it's un error. Error, yeah. Hay 6 personas, pero no sé es otro en el
En la
sistema.
reserva.
Sí.
Ok, perfecto. Acá. Hola, buenos días.
Here, recibido una carga para 8 personas.
¿Alguien te escribió de la reserva?
Hey guys, we're heading out now. Our drive is here. Yeah.
Catalina Monument is in a monument that we have in Cartagena in the center, but there is the original monument because Catalina, she was born in Galera Samba. And the last stop there is at the lake where the salt is extracted because in that town they extray and they export salt every year. It's the same lake that maybe you know like the Pink Sea. Yesterday, no pink, maybe today is a little pink because those days has been rain. And when it's raining, it looks a pink color. In Galera Samba, it's like 30 minutes, and after we're going to the volcano, okay? Some tequila towel is okay, perfect. Wait till the game.
Yes guys, so we're here. Oh god, I'm tired. I'm hungry. Hungry kill me now. Maybe I'm hungry, maybe I go there from Panis and Chicken. When they do the autopsy, even.
Galera Zamba. So yeah, this is the first part of it. We're really tired and hungry, but yeah, it's gonna be a long day.
Hungry kill me.
Yeah, let's see what the music
I'm gonna leave this around.
We don't need it back.
Yeah, leave it
I
back.
can leave it back. Hello, hola. We're here. Oh, this is a museum.
Dice la misma información. Sí, de la India.
Okay guys, welcome again to Galera Samba. We are here in the Galera Samba Museum where we find the Galera Samba history. Why it's important for us this indigenous town and about the salt process. Okay, we have 2 rooms, so we start in this room. Go ahead, welcome.
Only English.
Well. It's a museum. Watch iron. Iron, what you mean?
On internet we translate it.
This is it's original of Galera Samba because it is born in Galera Samba.
Okay guys, so in this first room we're gonna find the different pictures about Galera Samba constructions like the street, house, school, and about the salt mine constructions. The salt mine that you know like the Pink Sea, we call sea, but it's not a sea. It's like a lake or like a pool because was made used for the salt extractions. Normally, the pink color, the season is between December to April. This year was pink in April for 2 weeks. But we lost the pink color when it's raining because remember that it's like a pool, so when it's raining, have a lot of rainwater and lost the pink color. I will show you here the salt. We have salt here. The salt is from the lake, the salt mine, and the salt is extracted every year. And it's exported to another countries, another cities, but they keep salt here because they cook with the salt. Or maybe you can drain the salt. You can use with your body lotions, and it's good for your skin. You can scrub your skin, infusions, or massage. So now we give you some salt for you guys. Remember, you can use in your body for a cook.
That's always.
Son 18.
Ese tú la haces, mío.
This instrument, this is a way that was made with Totumo. Totumo is a fruit. It's used for medicine. Maybe it's not for eat. So they made this because they need to know how much salt they are going to exchange. So you can appreciate here, guys. This points is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is salt. It's 1 pound here. So when it's 1 pound, we put this here, and this is here in 1. So with the balance, you know that you have 1 pound here. If maybe I put this in 2, it will work because this is a salty way. And we have a different instrument that were used by these people for the tribe that was living here for the survival, like this close iron that were used with charcoal on fire. This was the first bottle of whiskey that were used in the first Galera Samba parties. And this is the tinajera, and it's like used for maybe before people take water from a lake for drink, so they keep that water fresh and cold. And the last process was with this pillow, guys. This pillow were used for rain, the salt. This activity was made used for women, so we call madronas. They drain the salt, they sing a special song, and they dance around the pillow. So now I will show you guys this activity and the song, but for this we need 2 people that want to try. Okay. Someone else? So easy. Michael, we're gonna meet, we're gonna sing the song, so remember, grain and dance. Run. Okay? Yes. And guys, you have with the okay? Vamos. 1, 2, 3. Nosotras la pilanera, pilamos sin vacilar. Nosotras la pilanera, pilamos sin vacilar. La sangre se la engalera y se la vendemos a la catanera. A la catanera. A la catanera. Muy bien. Good job. Okay, thank you. So this belongs used for grain and other food like rice and corn. Okay, we continue that one, guys.
Boy, giddy.
Can you tell me? There's no way the bone knows this shaking
I bring to a walk. I'm tired, isn't
Rural areas.
Yes, rural.
Well, no, we're not even in Cartagena. We're in between. We're at the lake, but so we're based now is in between Cartagena and Barranquilla. We're literally like halfway there, the halfway point between Barranquilla and Cartagena.
Watch ya. This reminds me of
Yeah,
a
so
country of
we have to
Jamaica.
head
Watch out, people.
Lake.
Watch out.
You feel like I say, yeah.
It reminds me of a country of Jamaica, don't
a grandma,
Yeah.
whatever.
I thought it would give me watch the dog over there. So. Let me catch me in the video. Hi guys. Ooh.
Before,
No.
traveling with Dave, yeah.
Say it again.
Thanks to traveling with Dave, yeah.
Big up travel with Davey and Period Pool.
Yes, sir. Gotta shout him out.
Yeah. That's the guy right there.
With the 42 teeth.
Why did that? You know what I'm saying? What's that?
I don't miss any
Excursions.
None. No care how little or small it be.
Whoa! When my friend me fall. Watch out.
Sister.
Because it's her dog.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's her dog?
They follow her.
Oh, okay.
Protection.
In Jamaica, dogs bite you.
Every day.
Yeah.
Dog name food. I had.
Actually, I feel like I said, literally, you know, they are then get it, just pull the gate and
Yeah,
walk
when
going
you're in a country.
Backside, I love this.
I love it so. So now what
Right,
we doing?
back to life. What's the
Back to reality.
no door?
Back to life. Back to reality.
Oh, is it Salt Lake?
Pink.
The Salt Lake? Yeah, so guys, we're going to the Salt Lake.
And not Salt Lake City. This is Salt Lake
This is real country, rural
in Gallagher, Zambia, not Salt Lake in Utah.
in Utah. So we're at the Salt Lake. Woo! Going down. This is so beautiful. Amazing. Look at the view, guys. Wow.
Oh, them black something.
Salt. Pure salt.
Hold on. The black thing is salt?
Just touch so good.
Ooh.
The water.
Yeah.
Pure salt.
For salt?
Yeah. It's like
Wow.
putting a teaspoon of salt in your mouth.
Wow.
Go ahead, try it. Don't touch that part.
So guys, this is a lake where the salt is straight, so this water is so salty. You can try touching the water. If maybe you put the water in your skin, it will leave your skin with an oily. And you can appreciate like a little color, but they need more rain and sunny day first. It takes a pink color.
Oh, it will turn pink.
Yes, the reason for the pink color here is because in this water we have some algae. These algae produce reddish and orange substance, and this substance with the wind and the sun give the pink color. You can appreciate that it's like a pool, so we have 4 pools here. It's a big pool.
salty. My foot.
Salt.
Yes, she said.
Paul can't breathe without me.
Let me see you do it.
Fully salt. Fully. Fully.
It's like a teaspoon of salt on your mouth.
Salt.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cap. No cap, no that. You hear that?
Ready?
Yes.
No stress.
Travel with Davia. Real Colombia experience. Guys, so we are here at the Volcano. Woo! Let me tell you, sun hot. Right, sun is hot, it's hot, it's hot. Woo! What am I saying? Them now, Nikki. At this point in time, what?
Domingo!
Bingo! 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 Oh, we are going. I just want to coconut water, guys. How much is it? 10,000? Something like that, what is it?
What is it? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's yes.
My face so deep.
You can't sink. Not the journey, not the mud. Bernice, why you always look up from the maca? Okay. It's a bit, yeah. Hey. Bernice is like, leg up from the maca.
Where's the leg up from the
Oh, she leg up from the maca.
You want me to get a picture up here?
We don't feel stagnant.
She's stagnant in her life.
Boy, man. This chapel, I was toppling forward.
No, we
need a topple over.
Get a picture.
Okay, good. Un poquito, menos.
Video.
Yeah.
Video, see. You know, go up back here on live video just now. Bro. As the video start, we don't like how the video. We only want to like come up, you know. What a way to start the video. Okay. That's actually keep it like you have grip. Going down. There we go. There we go. Wow. Mira. Estoy flotando aquí,
¿Me quedaste? ¿Ah? No, han dado una todavía.
Guys, we are going back now. How was the experience?
It was lovely. Really enjoyed.
Let me tell you about the massage. You see the massage, I have one pain right outside of my shoulder. The man take it out. Like, I enjoyed it to the fullest.
Yeah. And the thing is with the mud as well, it feels as if you're going to be like sinking, but you can't sink. You literally cannot sink in it. You're just floating.
Yeah.
Floating. So sometimes you may lose your balance, and then you may have to try and get back. Oh, you're comfortable, but there's no sinking. But yeah, the experience was marvelous. It's 10
out of 10.
Good, yeah, I highly recommend.
Yeah, this was
the one that you were.
I was looking forward to the most, and I really enjoyed it. It's like
it
was beautiful, guys. Ben, how was it?
You like me go through in a boat. How was it?
Great experience. My voice gone, but 2 thumbs up.
Yes, guys. So we're heading back now. We're going.
We're heading back to Boca Grande. They're gonna let us off at our hotel, and then we're just gonna have what are we gonna do for the rest of the day? We're just gonna chill by the pool a little, and then we'll get dressed and head out to the walled city. We're gonna do like a wall city tour.
Yes.
And take some pictures with the locals, the ladies in the floral dresses, etc. Get some mural shots, and then we head to dinner. And after dinner, we head to a club in the wall city because everything basically in the wall city, in a sense. And it's like if you like, you want to get more of a local experience as well.
Right.
Because where we're staying, it's basically more touristy, like skyrise, so it's skyscrapers etc. that we're on. So we want to have that local, authentic experience. So we head to the wall city for that.
Yes, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see you there.
All right.
Yes, guys. So we're currently dressed and going out now. We're going to get some food because we haven't eaten all day and I am starving, literally. Yes, so we're gonna go get some food and then we're gonna go to Wall City to do a tour. So I'm super excited for that. I want to see what they have there, and I wanted to go to Gethsemane, but I'm not sure due to the time if we're gonna make it to go there. But stay tuned, guys. So say hi to the vlog. Yes, so this is your girl. Okay, we're going west. Everyone, yeah, everybody's here.
I'll look at you now.
Yeah. So, yeah. Guys, we're currently waiting on an Uber. We just ordered one, but they canceled on us, so we're trying to get a new one to go get something to eat. Like, everybody is starving. We're so hungry. Like, I don't have energy, I don't have strength. That's how I choose to talk. But this is Cartagena. It's so beautiful.
I tell you one video, hungry after
Ben,
no, somebody said to somebody, say it's like food that everybody last priority, it seems. Food, because there's no way. When we tell us that we lose weight rapidly, I tell you the truth. We hardly eat.
actually, one time a day we eat now.
I believe say. I believe say because we have so much to do and we are cramming it into each city we go and suffer. I believe say that's why we don't really have time to get nothing to eat. I swear.
Right now, me hungry bad. Me not lying. And then the Uber them over here small, like you just have here a squeeze job. You just have here a squeeze up so. But guys, we're still waiting. We're outside our hotel. Waiting. I'm loving this fit. I didn't know that I was gonna like it, but it's very cute. Very cute. They can blow honey, man. Sure. Can't even talk in peace. Guys, I save me look at energy, so me catching a back when time we reach. We're waiting on our Uber. Waiting on our Uber. This is it. Yeah, this is our Uber now.
Where you coming here?
They're not gonna pull off there, no? On which side?
I don't even know if you got way back.
Oh, we're going.
Hola.
Hola. Oh, I saw see cross.
Hola. Hola.
Yeah, the traffic is horrible. Very cutesy, very timid. festive. She look cute. Literally walls up and walls up and walls. You're driving between walls. Where's the umbrella? Something, baby. I be like, oh, get to me. Oh, it's far from here. Is it far from here? Oh, historical buildings. I don't know what me I say, but it look like it's.
El lugar mayor para comida local.
¿Ah?
El lugar mayor para comida local.
El lugar mayor para comida local. Un restaurante donde vendan comida local. Sí. No, I'm asking.
Sí, un restaurante, yeah, I know.
I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Que Candé.
Candé?
Yeah, that is a
Okay,
restaurant.
guys, the rest of
Here,
them are
inside the
here.
whole city here?
Yeah.
This is where
It's
we're going.
by the mall, Cerrezuela.
Okay, Candé.
It's food typical from here. That's the place where you're going. Just try to park.
Alright, so look for Candé. Alright. Cande.
Candé, yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Gracias.
Top Shutters is back.
Yes, y'all, we're at Wow City. We're going to get something to eat now. So, this is, I don't like the smell of the outside. I don't like it. So this is where we're going. Hi. Waiting on them. Oh, no, did I wait long? Traffic. Guys, we got hot chocolate. I'm gonna eat on for morning. I have to drink something warm for my stomach. And also a croissant. This is so good. I've already started eating. But yes, nice, very nice. Got chocolate inside, melted inside. And tea. What is this fresh so
basically, we just come up here so we dine because we're hungry. So we have to just pick the first place and go and dine. So we're hungry, we have to just buy some croissants and some little things before and go and eat and then wait for the menu.
From morning, Listen, it's because we went to do the excursion, the mud volcano, and when our drive, it brought us straight back to the hotel, so that's why we didn't get to stop to get something to eat. But this is like breakfast, and it's now after 5, almost 6 in the evening. Really? Guys, when bought donuts, look what they get in like a soup. So we go try it. It's cool? Why cool? I said to eat?
I don't know. But I forgot to tell you at the
This is it, guys. Not bad. But donut is not my thing. Here. It's not bad though.
cool over here. Then teach them.
Then teach them, but then see it as something like how we see it as Spanish. It's in the interest.
We're in Cartagena, Wall City. Huh?
Huh? Hermanas? Yeah.
Sí.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica! Blessing for Jamaica, blessing for Jamaica.
So beautiful, ladies, welcome, happy holiday. I like the custom baby, it's original, it's right up inside.
Son bellas.
Yeah, remember, Cartagena is nice and amazing. So many boys, Colombian for Chris Grace.
Hey, so beautiful, queen, allá en security. Hey, you are a stone, chique boss, chique queen. Chick, what you name?
Caysha.
Caysha, Toto, Caysha the boss, Caysha the boss, estos son del team, my color, allá en security, so beautiful queen, es donde strong, lady, so beautiful on the world. Oh, el talento son de street y de forra, oh, lady, yeah, one more
For the tree.
one more.
Yo, Caysha, it's original. Nice to meet you in Wakanda. For doing
Same.
Colombian.
Yeah, Colombia. Cartagena.
Jamaica with the queen of the casa.
Yo soy el rapero que tiene talento para toda mi gente, esto es el beat. Y de for rapper, one more en el beat.
Thanks so much, Africa. You can help me with one more for my friend. One more for my brother.
Contribución, lady.
When. Next time.
Oh, one more. From 1, 2, 3. One more.
No más.
10 for 20, 10 for 3,
Yeah.
Sí. 10 for 20.
Sí.
Oh, lady.
Sí.
10 for 20, yeah? Yeah.
10 for 20, sí.
10 for 20.
Where's the man?
No más dinero.
No más. That's style. And where they say them go?
The neighborhood Santo Domingo.
Okay. today is the last day in Cartagena. Guys, as you can see, I'm dressed. I'm about to go to the airport now. We'll be flying to Medellin, guys. Like, this is my least favorite part of the vacation, right? The airports, the traveling. I do not like it. It make me tired. So much hackling. Yeah. But guys, we are dressed and ready, about to go to the airport now. We're going to Medellin, Colombia. Yes, guys. So this is Venice over here. Millie. My girl account out the chest. But guys, I think they made breakfast because let me tell you all, we haven't been eating, right? Because we've been so busy on the go, on the go, on the go. So we're about to go out to have breakfast now, and then we're gonna leave out. We're leaving Cartagena. Guys, we're leaving now. We're on our way to the airport. Yeah. It's overcast, it's gonna rain, as you guys can see.
Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.
See you guys in Medellin. Bye.